Welcome to Vial Machinery. Today, we're excited to introduce the LYKXGF series vial washing, drying, filling, and stop ring production line, a cutting-edge solution for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Rotary ultrasonic washing machine. Our rotary ultrasonic washing machine ensures thorough cleaning of vials with unmatched precision. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, it removes even the smallest contaminants, guaranteeing the highest standards of hygiene and safety for your products. Drying oven. The drying oven quickly and efficiently removes moisture, preparing vials for the next stage of production with consistent results. Filling equipment. The filling equipment is designed for accuracy and speed, ensuring each vial is filled to the exact required volume. It also features a nitrogen purging system, which protects sensitive products from oxidation, maintaining their quality and shelf life. Plugging machine. Our plugging machine delivers precise stop ring with built-in inspection functions. It ensures every vial is securely sealed and meets stringent quality control standards. The LYKXGF series production line combines advanced technology with reliability, using high-quality components like Siemens and Schneider Electronics to deliver exceptional performance. Trust Vial Machinery for your pharmaceutical manufacturing needs. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact us today.